So let's talk about XRP. XRP is sitting at $2.1 right now, but don't worry, it has gone and achieved the $2 support area as well. I'll show it to you right now, just a second. It's sitting at $2.2 right now, but 2.0 is achieved. So that is a support area that we had below 2.3, and XRP has gone and achieved that. Led through it. And now it is here. Now, if we take the overall size of it, according to this structure, it should go down towards 2.3. Overall, everything has played out in the most simplest manner, because from previous 2 days, we were seeing this area of 2.5 as the double top area. And I love structures when we see double tops, double bottoms, cup and handles, and structures like that. They make our life extremely easy, because then you are not just talking about the support and resistance. You have one more added individual to the overall game that can help you in deciding the overall direction. And of course, you don't need to use any indicators, EMAs or Fibonacci's or anything else. All that bullshit can stay where they are because you don't need indicators to decide on the directions of the market or to decide on where to head. It's all very simple and straightforward. But of course, you have these big influencers out there. They have some really fancy screens with all those indicators. Maybe they would know better. Anyway, things have not changed at all. $2 is the last hope of XRP. After $2, everyone in XRP is going to start shitting their pants, and they all are going to be in a panic, because this overall motivation of I'm going to buy more, and all those people who are fucking you around by telling you to buy more, all those famous influencers, all that stuff will start looking less appealing after it starts going down. Of course, whenever there is a drop, someone else comes out and says, this big event is happening. Today, the news is SEC may drop Ripple appeal, boosting XRP investors' optimism and growth as prospects. Of course, why not? Why not today? After you drop 10 to 15% in a day and be on a perpetual drop from $3.5 to $2, you have a how much drop we are talking about? Just a second, okay? From 3.4 to $2. Let's ignore the 1.7 because we can blame something for it, right? We can blame tariffs of US for it. You can't blame anything for the slow bleed, right? So from 3.4 to 4, that's 1.4 on a 3.4. That's a 41% drop. And if you take it from here, 1.4 on a 2, that is a 70% move. If you buy it at $2 and it goes back to 3.4, it's a 70% move. This is crazy. This is crazy in a sense that people are losing half of their wealth in this overall drama. And of course, no one notices it because they keep on staying positive without looking at their fucking bag that the bag has cut in half. Unless, of course, you have purchased XRP when it stayed at 50 cents to 30 cents for 10 years, then it's a different case scenario. Anyway, whatever you're doing with your overall long-term hodl, that's up to you. You can hodl and go to hell with it. But my only concern is always to share the perspective of the market as where the market is going. And for me, $2 is the make and break. If $2 breaks, then even seeing 50 cents would not be a problem, but it will take its sweet time. So I think this is an important area. This is where they should put up a fight. We have just few more days left, and I think that if there is a green waiting for us, if there is green market waiting for us, then it will be in the month of March. And so far it has played pretty much the way I had explained and the way I expected that the market is going to play out. They would make the month of Feb red. Opening of March should be red as well, because then if you want to close the March green, it is better that way. And I said this in Bitcoin video again and again, that moving from $85,000 to 110 gives you a 29% move. It makes March amazingly great, and everyone will forget the fact that they all got fucked by dropping from 105 108 or 107 to all the way towards 85. They will just talk about March in history being the green month because it went from 85 to 110. So that's the overall play, how these things are played. All they look at is the opening and the closing price, irrespective of what happened in between. So from that perspective, if you look at it, I think the game is going well. As long as the market moves sideways or a little lower from here, I think we are ready for the month of March. If the month of March doesn't go green, then you all should understand that there is no more hope left. That's the last resort you have. I mean, I didn't have any hopes from 2025. There was no bull run. I wasn't among those your amazing influencers that were talking about altcoin super cycle. But I was still hoping that at least it will give opportunity to those delusionals who didn't sell in the month of January, that hopefully March will give them an opportunity to exit the market. So let's see. Anyway, so sorry for making it 6 minutes. I had no intention. It's just that a lot of people message me and they're crying, and I just get angry when I made a video on 5th of January saying that 2025 is financial crisis and still people get themselves fucked up. What can I say? Thank you for watching the video. If you have any questions or I have touched on a topic and you expect me to explain a bit more, I'll try my best to explain that to you in the comments. Leave a comment, and I'm not going to tell you to like and subscribe, because if you're not interacting with the video or if you're not subscribed, you're not going to see all the 10 videos that I make every day. You're going to miss out on it, and I think you are educated enough to understand what to subscribe and what not to, because if you want to miss out on it, then why not? It's for your own good, and you should know better what is good for you.